Welcome back to my channel everyone, Our Hybrid Kitchen. Today we're going to be cooking garlic chili chicken and we're going to put lots of garlic into it. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Do make some comments on there as well so I know what you guys are up to. Let's get into it. Well, I've cut the 500 grams of breast chicken into cubes. It don't have to be massive, just cubes, and we're going to start marinating it now. Okay, we're ready to marinate the chicken. The ingredients are on the top there, so we're going to be using, starting from the left, half tablespoon of black soy sauce. We've got there the salt is next, half a teaspoon of salt. Then we've got the chili powder, which is 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and then we've got half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, and then we've got furthest to the right is we've got a full tablespoon of garlic paste. So we're going to add that all into this mix and get it ready. Soy sauce, salt, get that in there, chili powder, get that in there, black pepper, put that in there as well, and then finally the garlic paste. That's it, it's all in there. I'm going to give that a mix. Here we are, all marinated. I'm going to stick it into the fridge now for an hour. The chicken's been in the fridge for an hour now. We're going to add the rest of the ingredients. 3 tablespoons of corn flour. Oh, jumped straight out, put that in there. And we're going to mix that. We're going to add 1 egg and give it a mix. And there it is, it's all mixed up, the egg and the corn flour. So we're going to heat the oil up and start putting them in there. Here we are, the rest of the ingredients. You've got 2 medium onions, red green pepper, coriander, garlic, chili and spring onion. Heat about 4 tablespoons of oil, medium heat in a pan, and we're going to add the garlic first. Once it's warm enough, test it with that first. There you go. That's 2 tablespoons of garlic. Mix that around for 1 to 2 minutes, and then we're going to add the onions. 2 medium onions going, but they're in like slices, they're not thin, they're in slices, as you can see. Look at it. We're going to mix that up as well for another 2 minutes. Now it's been a minute. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce. Add in 1 teaspoon of salt. Now add in 2 tablespoons of ketchup. So get another tablespoon. Mix that all up. Added the red peppers, tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Mix that all up, and then we're going to add the green chilies as well. Yeah, put the green chilies in as well. So I'll give that stir for a few minutes, and we're going to add half cup of water. Keep stirring. Right now it's been about 5 minutes. Just keep stirring on medium heat. It's come to a boil now. With the water we're going to add in the chicken. Get the chicken in there. Mix that all up. we're adding, this is 2 tablespoons of corn flour. We'll just mix with some water to make it light consistency. The sauce. Put that in. On a medium heat to low heat now. You don't want the chickens overcooked, so they're pre-cooked already. Just give it a good mix. Mix them all around. Now finish it off, we're going to add coriander. Love coriander. Lots of it. And we're going to add some spring onions. Stir that all in. Another 2 minutes and we're going to turn the gas off and it'll be ready to serve. Yeah.